from Blood Sugar Sex Magic called Naked in the Rain. Oh, that's actually a solo from it. And there's only really the solo and 3 other parts, and then that whole tune is done. That solo is one of those things where Flea makes something pretty simple just sound killer by adding in heaps of attitude and just a few really greasy notes and the way he does things. But it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is drop your lower E string to D, okay? So to do that, you just ring out your D string and then you tune that one down. Use a tuner if you want, whatever. And the first pattern is, okay, which is really simple, and he does his thumb down, which is completely cool. Or you can slap it with your thumb pointing to your shoulder, or you can even have a flat thumb. You can go through the string if you want. Anyway, that's all up to you, but I'll tell you just how to play it. How you slap and pop's completely up to you. So we're going to go 3, 5 on the low E, and because we've got our E tuned to D, the octave shape is now this. Okay, we're going to go, and then we're going to pop the 5th fret on the D string. Go. We're going to play a low D, then we're going to do the same thing, and then we're going to pop it twice. Oh. Alright, so. Alright, and that's all it does. Dean there, and I don't know, a few little ghosty things, but basically that's all it is, right? The next part's even simpler. We're just going, which is just 3, 5 on the next string, but this time we've got the normal octave pattern. We play the 7 on the high G string, so then an open A, and then we go same thing. Okay, and then he also does this little, instead of going up, he goes, and then, so it's 3rd on the A, and then a low D, and then a pop D. And that's all it is. And then you've got the Naked in the Rain bit, and it's just a power chord, so that's 3 and 5, 3 and 5 on the next strings, and back to this again. This time it goes, which is just O, 1, 2, 3, or you can think D, E flat, E, F, 5, and then 3 on the D string. So that's all on the A string, and we've got the last note on the 3rd fret on the D string. So it goes. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Alright, anyway, you get the deal. Alright, so that's it. Now the solo, okay, it just goes, alright, first thing is just 3 to 5, alright, and then we have a couple of, we ghost before each of these notes, we go, which is 3, 5, ghost 1, ghost 3, ghost 4, slide on to 4, from 4 to 5, and then open, so. And he picks pretty hard, so it almost sounds like a slappy sort of sound. Yeah, not as close to the bridge, I'll pick about there, but you know, you see what sounds good for you. And then the next one, same thing, start, we got 3, 5, and then we go. So, I just might hit it as hard as I can, so you can hear the notes better. Which is 3, 5 on the A, we've got ghost 1, then we've got ghost 3, slide to 4, ghost on the 3rd fret on the D string, and then we hammer on 3 to 5 on the D string. So. This one goes. So ghost 3 on the D string, then goes. I don't know if he quite hits that D string or it's a ghost, but it's like so ghost 5 3 5 3 on the D string and the A string. Then it goes 4 1. And that's on the A string, and then we've got which is just A. We got A on the D, then 7, back to the A, and then we've got 9, 7, 8, and we slide from 9 to 10. We go 9 to 10, then 7, 8 on the D. So you might find it easy to do this. See how you just pull that off? You see what works for you or whatever sounds the best. Okay, so you've got, then you've got, which is really simple. He's just going hammer on from 12 to 14. So he's just thinking A. We do that a few times. Okay, so it's 12, 14. So hammer on, pluck, hammer on, pluck. Now here we're just going, so we do 10 to 12 once, then we just go 1 fret before it, we're going like 9 to 10, 8 to 10, 7 to 8, then we go 7, 7, 5, 0, 5, all on the 1 string. Alright, and then I don't know if that's 100% correct, but that'll do. We've got, which is just same intro as before, and then we go, which is 5, 3, and then 5 on the A string. Then we go, which is 6, 6, 3, 5, 3, 5. So, and then we go 6th fret on the top G string. We slide up a full octave, so it's going up to the 18th fret up here. So. Let me just move that up 1 fret, okay, to the 19th fret. And then we just go 19, 17, 15, finish on 17 on the D string. So all up we've got. So there you have it, YouTubers. If you dig this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Check out my other videos on this channel. Any questions or comments, put them in the section below, and I'll see you guys next time.